It's your girl Rochelle, and I am back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are the bomb.com. In today's video, I am here to do a cash stuffing so that we can be ready for the first part of September. So if that's something you want to see, then stick around. Okay, so I am so excited because I have my new cash envelopes from Conversation over at Etsy. Anything you see in my video, you know I got the links for you below. I also have my trackers that I have updated. I already have some for sale right now, but I am in the middle of updating them, giving them a fresh new look, and I'm really liking the clean, minimal look. And so check out my website, RochelleAdamson.com, if you see something you like, and let's dive right in. So I'm going to be filling in my cash breakdown slips so that I can get ready to, you know, stuff this cash. I already have it filled out digitally, but I'm just going to show you how it works in case you might be interested. So let's get that done. Okay, so I am all set. I have my cash breakdown all filled out, so I'm going to use that, refer to that to make sure we're stuffing all the money where it's supposed to go. Then I also have my cash envelopes tracker set up for the month. So these are my starting marks, as for lack of a better word, of what exactly I have left in my cash envelopes from the month of August. So I'm happy with that. Normally it's a lot of zeros. And then I have my sinking funds tracker with all of the categories that I plan on stuffing today. And I will definitely put the starting amounts as we go, just so I can see how we're looking. Okay. So usually I do a wallet unstuffing first, just to, you know, restuff this money, because if I didn't use it in the month of August, that means that I could be using it for something else. But since I don't have that much left, I just actually did another video right before this one, which is my savings challenge cash stuffing. And I just decided to just leave the money that I have left over in there. So we're just going to work from here. All right, first up, let's talk about groceries. Groceries is going to get a huge amount, y'all. It's going to get $300. And that is simply because for a while we were spiking here in Hawaii, and we just want to limit our, you know, exposure to people and being out and about, and we don't want to, you know, we just don't want to be out in the mix. So we are going to do one large grocery haul this weekend. And so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Oh, I picked up exactly. Whoa. Okay, so I have $70 left. So we are going to shop till we drop and fill this house up with any of the items that we might need, because there's no games to be played. Okay, so we have $370, and this should last us at least 1 month. I'm hoping, if we can really, like, I'm going to try and stick to the meal plan that I've been working on. I want to finish it up before we leave out, and I want to really try and finish using up all the stuff in our pantry, because we still have a lot of like tomato paste, tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes. I'm like, Micah cooks from scratch, y'all. Okay, so we added 300, which is probably our biggest stuffing ever. Normally we keep this money electronic, but since we are headed to probably Whole Foods, nope, that's not what I meant to say, Costco or Sam's Club, we'll just pay cash, just so we can, since it's such a large bill, I want to make sure, okay, I want to make sure that we stick to it. All right, bet groceries is done. Next up, we are going to stuff my personal money. Personal money is just going to get a cute $5. It still has $10 left. Lies I tell, it has no money left. I don't always remember to what's the name this? Okay, so it has $10, so good thing we're stuffing it. We're adding 5, and it now has 5. Man, I needed to get something that's gonna cost more like $10, but now I might have to wait. It's not super urgent. It's just, you know, private things you gotta get as women. Alrighty. Then next up is going to be tips. Tips is going to get another $5. We do have $10 left, so that'll give us 15. We're adding 5 and we have 15. Yeah, that'll work because we'll be getting takeout. If we leave out, we won't be like out and about in the restaurants and stuff. The governor here is really just trying to get everybody to sit still for a little bit. And I, for one, am all for that. I'm an introvert. I know I come across as like really hyper and really excited and stuff, but it's because I'm home. It drives Micah crazy. Next up is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is going to get $50. And that is just to cover anything that I might be missing mentally, because I still feel a little crazy from traveling and everything. Look, I thought I had $5 left. There's nothing in there either. It's because I just did a savings challenge video, so I probably just didn't update it. Okay, we're gonna add 50. Wait, let me not talk. Plus 50, and it has 50. Yeah, so there's still stuff that we're unpacking. We're pretty much at the last part of the unpacking scenario, but like there's some things that I want to get for the house, you know. Okay, next up is eating out. Eating out is going to get $100, and we're gonna make that all 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Like I said, pick up and take out and grocery pickup, all of that is gonna be our best friend for the next few weeks. Oh, cool. And we still have 30 left, and we're adding 100. Perfect. So we should now have 130 for eating out. And then I'm going to challenge us to go and pick up our orders instead of ordering on like DoorDash, delivery, or whatever, because you know they charge extra for that food. I'm like, the price was not that high. Come on, what happened? Next up is gifts. We are going to, look, that one's empty too. We're going to add $5. And really what I've been using this little fund for already is I've been sending people that I care about just a little handwritten note, just something to let them know I'm thinking about them. And I don't know, that's just been my little thing I've been doing lately. I'm turning into my mother. My mother is so good at sending people like handwritten notes and letters. And maybe it's because of where I am now. If you have ever been to Hawaii and ever received a gift from someone in Hawaii, they usually are very, very specific. They're like really big gift givers here. And they're really personalized, homemade, you know, made just for you type gifts. But, you know, not expensive or anything, but really well thought out. And I've been trying to up my game. So, okay, that's it for the wallet. This is all the money I keep on me when I'm out and about. So, you know, be safe. I heard that, you know, I'm hearing stories about, I don't know if it's new cash stuffers or maybe cash stuffers who've been doing this for a long time, we're getting too comfortable. But I'm hearing that people are getting like robbed and stuff because they're not like, I'm not going to say they brought it on or anything like that, but I'm just like, we need to be more careful, everyone. You know, definitely don't draw undue, attention to yourself when you're out and about. If you are pulling from your cash envelopes out in the store, try to do it down in your purse and, you know, not reveal, hey, I got 10 envelopes. Just be conscious of that. It's that time of year where people start getting desperate. And yeah, that's my little mom piece. You know, I always gotta be somebody's mom. Alrighty, I have no change, just like one little penny. I went for walks 3 times this week, and that was the only penny I found. And funny thing, it was in the house. So, that's all right. This community keeps it tight, is what that means. Okay, now let's start with these. These are my sinking funds that I am starting. So car maintenance is brand new to the mix, and since we have a car now, we need to be ready. Now the funny part is we do have a Tesla, so you know, I'm not expecting to have to do oil changes. Brakes are due like once every 5 to 7 years on average, people are telling me. So the thing I'm worried about most is just like if somebody hits us and there's like a, you know, whatever you have to pay when you activate your insurance, or like if we need to get new tires. So that's what I'm going to be keeping in mind when I'm stuffing. So we're going to stuff $25 for car maintenance. Oh, actually, I'm lying. There's money in here already. Y'all, you have to forgive me. I have dementia. Oh, I have $35. Let's see. Yep. And I left myself a note. So we just added $25, and now just like that, $35. That'll work. Okay. Next up is, what are we doing? Wait, I feel like I'm supposed to be filling out something. Okay, car maintenance as we go. It had $10. So I'll just be filling that in from afar. Next up is house and hygiene. Hopefully I go in order. House and hygiene, $55. Okay, house and hygiene. That's perfect because we're about to be shopping. We're going to add $20 to that. Yeah, a 20. Yep. Okay, so now it has 75. Okay, but it started with 55. Oop, that's the wrong one. H&H 55. Y'all just don't know. It's been real. So, house and hygiene. Next up is beauty. Beauty has $150 and it's going to get another $10. I love these cash envelopes. They're deceptive, and maybe it's because that mixed with the bill exchange I did. Like, it's some dough in here. I'm feeling it. Okay, so now it has $160. Ooh. I didn't add this. House and hygiene got 20. So it has 75 now, and then beauty just got another 10. So now it has 160. It won't be so hard in the next video. I'm just setting up for the month. Beauty has 150. And really, I have other money to add to this because I'm getting my hair done for the first time on the island since I got my Sister Locks video coming soon, y'all. And this will be my first time working with her, and I haven't had a chance to ask her if she accepts cash yet. And I just don't want, to have to worry about it. So I will wait till I get closer. Next up is health. It has $40. And I'm lying, it has $80. Y'all, these envelopes are showing out. And we're gonna add $40 to it. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Okay. Okay. Added another 40, and now it has 120. That is beautiful, because when I tell y'all we have all the appointments coming up, and that's gonna be weird because I don't know. I guess I don't know. Yeah, we have appointments. We gotta go. We gotta do that. Next up is Louis. It has $65 right now. Let's see. And we are going to just add a cute $5 to it. I just literally have been passively stuffing this thing, and it's starting to have some shmoney. $50, $60, $65, $70 now. And that's actually perfect because I've been listening to you in the comments, and people have been telling me, like, girl, if something happens to your Louis now, it's not always free. So I have been blessed so far. I have not had to pay for anything, any of my repairs ever for Louis. And I actually had to get a strap repaired on my crossbody, and I had just bought it. It was like 2 weeks old, and the bracket broke off randomly. I was just like, what in the world? Because they don't make them like they used to, but they covered it entirely. So I guess I've just been fortunate. Next up is Mike. Mike has $40, and this is his walking around money. I let it build up to a couple hundred, and then we give it to him. So he's going to get $10. And this is how we keep our budget down. So this money, mixed with his personal money that he gets every 2 weeks, we don't have problems with like overspending for stuff. Ours is really just groceries. Okay, so we added 10, and now it has 50. So I definitely am such a fan of cash envelopes, because when you need the money, it's there. It's there for you. It got you. Next up is me. I have $45, and we are going to add $10 for me too. So now I'll have $20, $40, $50, $55. $55. So these pretty much what we use the micro Eva envelopes for is clothes, shopping. Randomly, Micah will want to go shopping and he has everything he needs right there. And then, oh, Eva, I'm waiting for her envelope to come in. It's coming soon. Eva is getting, oh, first off, how much does Eva have? 150, 155 is what Eva has. You know, we definitely always put more in her bucket because she's growing still. So we're gonna add 10 and now she has 150, 60, 165. So once her envelope comes in, she'll match the rest of the family. So actually I'm gonna put it on the back though, just to let me know. A little reminder, 165. And then, is this the last one? Yeah, giving. Giving has $10 and we're gonna add 5. So that'll be $15. So we'll add 5. And that'll make 15. It started with 10. And then I'll put all of these back in my Louis Vuitton agenda. I'll probably do it off camera because I just feel like it's so finicky. Like it's hard to open and close sometimes because I don't open and close the rings enough. But I just want to, let me just make sure I have all of these filled in, which I don't. Okay, so self-care, I did not add to it, but I still want to track it. Self-care has $60. So we gotta get that back up and running because Micah's back to work. So we're gonna need to get them massages, y'all. And then fun money. Oh, I had Eva on there twice. Look at that. Okay, and then fun money has $20, $30, $35. So that's good. We didn't add to that because, you know, we'll be having fun inside most likely. We going on, you know, like really what it is about the mandate that's coming down for the next 60 days that just makes me feel like I don't feel like it is because you know that there's just going to be some people in their feelings about it, whether you choose to be vaccinated or not. And so like he's really being very specific as to what businesses you can enter and cannot enter without showing proof. And I just don't feel like it. I don't feel like going through all the hoops. I don't feel like it. And I think that it's easier for me to just get what I need and just stay in the house. I work from home anyway. It's not that big of a deal. So yeah, y'all, our island is going on like a weird lockdown starting Monday. Like it's starting right now. He's like, oh, if you're coming out, you got to play to play. You got to show your cards. But I just don't feel like all of that. Like there's an app you use to show your vaccination card. And if you don't have that, I think you have to show like a negative test result. But the test has to be done within within 48 hours, which is really crunch time. And I'm a travel agent, so like I just feel for all the people who are traveling right now, whether it's for business or pleasure, because that's just like, oof, that's some special hoops to jump through, you know? What's 60 plus 55 plus 45 plus 40 plus 155 plus 10 plus 65 plus 80 plus 150 plus 35 plus 10? Okay, so we have $705 starting out in our sinking funds binder for the month. So that's pretty good. That doesn't include the money that we just added today. We just added another, what, 600? So that's, you know, I really want to track our spending because I feel like we lost our minds a little bit. Okay, that's all for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.